All right, we're back for a new week. Money Makers. I hope you guys had a great holiday season. I am so proud of this channel. We're closing in on 500 subscribers. Let's try to get to it before the end of January. But UDJ is another platform where people can make money as a content creator. This is mainly going to be my content creator. So if you're not a content creator, you can start being a content creator. You can be a content creator any day of the week, 7 days a week. It depends on brands, it depends on getting monetized, it depends on affiliate marketing. Whatever your niche is, there's a way for you to monetize on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, whatever it is, get on it because 2025 is going to be the year where content creation explodes. It's the new way to make money. Now I'm not gonna say that we are gonna make money in 2025, but it all depends on you. But UDJ is basically where you can create user generated content for different brands. So like if I am a beauty niche brand, I might talk about makeup tutorials, or I might talk about selling different brand deals that has to deal with makeup. So it depends on you as a niche. If I'm a football niche and I talk about football, NFL stuff like that, I want to partner with big NFL, you know, um, sponsorships that's going to sponsor my videos and they'll pay for it. So it just all depends on you what your niche is. So Yuja, you can create videos around the different products that the brands offer you. So they have so many different brands: Inja, Franklin, XQ, XPEL, Data Shake, Public Media, just all the different brands that you can think of. They might even have Coca Cola, whatever. If you do a lot of reactions to different opening up pop bottles or sodas and stuff like that, you can partner with those different brands and make a commission from that. So anybody that watch your videos, even if you're getting paid on YouTube, you can make money from that as well too. So it's really a new way of doing things. So all you got to do is click the register button if you want to register with them, and then it'll have you sign in. So you can have first name, last name, email, password, confirm password, and then just acknowledge the cookies. You can accept them or decline them, and then click register. But if you don't want to fill out all of that, you could just quickly sign in with your Google account. Now, mind you, you have to start creating content for these different brands or sponsorships because if you don't create content, they're not going to pay you. Just so you know, you either can feature the brand, without showing your face or with showing your face, but it all depends on the contract that you sign up with, that you agree to. If they want to see you, usually user generated content is you showing your face with the brand and saying how it has helped you, or do you like the brand, do you dislike the brand, whatever is in that contract that you between you and the brand initiated, then you have to fulfill that in order to get paid. So it's not is and then you can add that as content from your YouTube channel and be making money from sponsorships and YouTube ad revenue and all of that good stuff. So it's a lot of ways to diversify this if you play your cards right. I know a lot of people. I have some friends, but I'm not going to share their names, that has been really successful with this. Um, it's really important that you take your time to build a loyal fan audience. The key to this is going to be getting up your subscriber numbers and followers on all platforms. So that way you can not only just monetize it on YouTube, you can do it on Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, all of these. You want to get paid and diversify all of your assets in all of these different platforms. So go ahead and see if you like it or not. I'm not going to hold you up any much longer. I just wanted you to get a new taste for what 2025 has to offer because there's a lot of ways to make money in 2025. And, I'm still currently making money every other week or something off the internet, just by participating in a research program that I'm in currently. I'm actually doing two of them concurrently right now. One of them I get paid about $120 a week, or every other week, or monthly, and then the other one is just like 20 to $40 every 3 months. So I'm always having money consistently coming in. If you want to, and if you don't like this particular video, and if you don't think you can be a content creator, there's always something where you don't have to show your face. So just look on there, get some ideas, brainstorm, and hit me up at mondaymakers271@gmail.com if you have any questions of how you want to get started with the YouTube journey, or get started, have any questions with becoming a UGTC content creator. But other than that, take care, money makers, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.